Hey guys, it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys this makeup look right here. This has become my everyday makeup routine. It's super easy to do and it's very neutral, semi-natural for makeup lovers. And I thought it would be perfect to start 2018 off with a new year, new you makeup routine tutorial. So I hope you guys watch this video, take what you like, leave what you don't like, and hopefully you're able to freshen up or transform your current makeup routine into something a little bit different for 2018. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look and learn some beginner-friendly tips, then just keep on watching. But of course, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jackie. Welcome to my channel and welcome to 2018. I am so excited for this year. I have so many fun things planned, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you are officially part of the Little Flower family. Woo! We literally have the best family on YouTube. I'm not even kidding. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Hey guys, so here I am with my naked face, so let's go ahead and begin. I like starting with my brows, so I'm taking my Collab Shape and Shade brow pencil and I'm just tracing out the outline of my brow, and then I use that pencil to just fill it in. And that's the only product I use on my brows. I like to keep them very simple. I don't like to fuss too much with my brows, but I do darken them and define the shape of them. Now this is new, but I wanted to try out the Pop Beauty 24K Face Base. This is a radiant blurring primer, so I'm just going to spritz that over my face and allow it to dry before I move into my next primer. I don't normally use two primers at once, but this next one is from Collab. It's the Fundamental Smoothing Primer, and I feel like it does a really great job priming my skin and allowing the product to last and hold on to my skin all day. So I've really been liking it. And then for my foundation, I'm using the Collab Oh So Fresh Skin Tint, and I'm applying this on a e.l.f. sponge. This is one of my favorite sponges, you guys know this. And I'm just going to bounce that into my skin. And then for concealer, I'm going to move on to the Collab Concealer. This is nice and creamy and it does a great job brightening the face. So I'm applying it under my eyes to brighten up that area to give a more youthful look. And then down the center of my face, like the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin, that's just going to highlight and bring forward those features. And I'm just going to use the same e.l.f. sponge to blend that concealer into my skin. Now to set all of the liquid products we have on our face, I'm going to take my Collab powder and I'm going to take it on a sponge first. I believe this sponge is from Collab, and I'm going to press that under my eyes because that's the area that creases the fastest. And then with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to set the rest of my face with the powder. So now moving on to bronzer, this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm going to take that on a big fluffy blush brush to just lightly apply this on the perimeter of my face. I'm not going to do any heavy contouring because for natural everyday makeup, I don't want to change my features. I just want to enhance them. So I'm going to apply it just very lightly in those areas of my face. And then moving on to blush, I'm taking this blush here from Collab. I'll have it linked below for you guys for the exact name and everything like that. But I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheek and back, and I love this blush because it gives me this nice, bright, youthful look. So I apply that onto my cheeks and then dust a little bit on my nose, chin, and forehead just to kind of balance out that color. Moving on to highlight, I've been trying out the Pop Beauty Prismatic Pop Highlighter in Gilded Light. So I'm going to take that and apply it onto my cheekbones. And because I do my face makeup first, I can use the highlight and kind of dust it on the brow bone area of my eye, and then a little bit on the center of my face, like the tip of my nose, bridge, and my Cupid's bow. Now moving on to the eyes, we don't necessarily need to prime them because we put a little bit of the foundation, concealer, and powder on top of our eyes, so technically they're already primed, but I wanted to try out this new one from Pop Beauty. This is the Eye Magnet Primer from Pop Beauty, so I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to take my e.l.f. sponge to blend that in. And now before we jump into the eyeshadows, I'm first going to take the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist, and this is just a setting spray, so I'm going to mist all of that onto my skin and allow it to dry while we work on the eyes. One of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I have been loving is the I Want Candy eyeshadow palette from Too Faced Cosmetics. I love taking these three shades. So I have a matte brown, and then this deep raspberry shade, and then a shimmery light champagne color. I'm starting off by taking the matte brown and blending that into my crease. And I like using these three shades because they're super simple, but they define my eyes and add this nice, like, kind of subtle glam look. So with the deep raspberry color, I'm taking that and applying it just on the outer half of my eye and a little bit in the outer crease. and then going in and just blending that so there are no harsh edges. And then lastly, I'm gonna take the shimmery shade and apply that right onto my lid. So this is a super quick and easy eyeshadow look, yet it defines your eyes and brings light in at the same time. With that deep raspberry color, again, I'm taking it on a pencil brush just to sweep that under my lower lash line. Now taking the Pot Beauty ink outliner, I'm going to use this to line my eyes. So this is a eyeliner pen, so it has like this fat felt tip, and I'm just going to drag this across my lash line and then create a wing, and I just follow the shape of my eye, and honestly, that's the best way to do your wing liner, but because not everyone's eyes are symmetric, sometimes the wings are a little crooked, and that's kind of the story of my life. So anyways, now I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil and just line the bottom of my lower lash line to kind of just round out the eyes, and then we can move into mascara. And for mascara, I'm taking the Love Your Curves Collab Mascara. So this helps to curl and lengthen and volumize your lashes. So I'm going to apply that to the top and bottom lashes. You can totally leave it like this, but because I'm addicted to false lashes, I'm going to add on some falsies right now. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of a lip gloss. This is the Glow with the Flow Lip Shine from Collab in the shade Whatever. So this new year, new you look is all about embracing your natural features and just enhancing them. So I'm not going to change or outline my lips with a lip liner or anything like that. This is just a natural look that enhances your natural beauty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, have a magical day. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, when watching this tutorial or any other tutorial on YouTube for that matter, you don't have to copy every single thing if you don't want to. Watch the tutorial, and if there's one or two things you like, try them out in your routine and see how you like it. And that goes for the products I use as well. As always, I will leave links to everything I used in the description box for you guys, but if you don't have those products or you don't want to pick them up, then just use what you have at home. Be creative. You don't have a highlight? Try using a shimmery eyeshadow for your highlight, you know what I mean? So get a little creative with the products that you already have. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!